Ever wonder what comes in this Mr. Bean the whole bean? Well, here it is. This is the front. Comes in this thin single case DVD case. Here's the back. 25th Remastered Anniversary Collection. Here are the bonus features. Inside comes with this booklet. 4 discs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the booklet has synopsis on each episode. All of the great Mr. Bean shorts. And that's basically it. I'm gonna show you the menus of all the discs and some bonus features that are included. Other than that, thanks for watching. Some of the bonus features include deleted scenes and TV sketches. A 40-minute documentary of the creation of Mr. Bean.
I just had to invent a sort of, 5 minutes of something. I just stood in front of the mirror and started to mess about with my face, basically. And this strange, surreal, non-speaking character evolved.
Episodes include Mr. Bean at exams, at the beach, at church, street performing, shopping, at a restaurant, meeting the Queen, swimming, at a parking lot, on a park bench, at the movies, watching TV, solving crime, shoe shopping, at a magic show, boogieing it at the club, driving a car, at the dentist, having a picnic, doing CPR, on a train, on an airplane, Christmas gifts, conducting a band, Christmas dinner, at a hotel, at the carnival, riding a roller coaster, saving a baby, New Year's Eve, driving a car, painting his apartment, back to school, science, eating cake, at the laundromat, playing mini golf, at the hospital, visiting royal guards, trying to sleep, at the barber's, at a dog show, and at the train station.